Hi everyone, welcome to this another brand new trading strategy tutorial. In this video I wanna going to show you how you can trade by volatility stop and moving average indicator combination. This strategy is very easy to use and high winded confirm. So guys, watch this strategy very carefully step by step. Hope you will be understood easily and you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. Okay, first I select TRX USDT and 5-minute time frame. And from the TradingView asset library, right now my asset is TRX USDT and my platform is Binance. And remember, you have to must select your asset and your trading platform from here, because it's very important, otherwise the price cannot sync and it could be reason for the trade fail. Now I have to add our today's indicator volatility stop and moving average. So I simply go TradingView indicator library. So first indicator is volatility stop. So I simply write here volatility stop. Once I write here volatility stop, you can see one indicator volatility stop on technical section, and also has a many indicator. The name is volatility stop on community script. So I want to use the technical volatility stop indicator. So I simply click to add on my chart. We have successfully add our first indicator, and the second indicator I want to add, the indicator name is EMA. So once I write here EMA, you can see another indicator moving average expansional EMA. So I simply click to add on my chart one time and click to add on my chart two time and simply close the indicator library. Alright, we have successfully add our indicator. So now I just want to change some setting for cash pure signal and make it little bit attractive, otherwise you will be confused with the indicator default setting. So first go with volatility stop indicator setting, and from here I want to change the price line type to step line with diamonds and simply save. And now I need 2 length EMA, so I simply go first one EMA setting, and the first length will be 10 period EMA. And for looking more attractive, I simply go style and I want to make it this color to white, and also I want to increase the thickness. Okay, so now I want to change the second EMA length to 30. So I simply go second EMA setting and from here input. So now I want to use the length is 30 and simply go style, and now I want to change the color to yellow, and for looks more attractive I simply increase the thickness and simply save. So we have successfully setting our two indicator. So now it's ready to cash signal. So before cash signal, let's introduce with indicator momentum. So first go with EMA. If the 10 period EMA crossing up the 30 period EMA, that means the market is going to happen a uptrend. And if the 30 period EMA crossing up the 10 period EMA, that means the market is 10 cents and it's going to happen a downtrend. And we avoid trade if the EMA crossing each other like this. And make this strategy more powerful, we also use volatility stop indicator. So let's introduce with volatility stop indicator momentum. And volatility indicator has two color price line, red line and green line. If the candle crossing up the volatility price line and volatility price line colors change to green, that means the market is going to happen a strong uptrend. And if the price crossing down the volatility price line and the same time the volatility price line color change to red, that means the market is going to happen a strong downtrend. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal with the two indicator combination. For buy signal, first confirmation is 10 period EMA must have to crossing up the 30 period EMA, and the second confirmation is the candle have to crossing up the volatility price line and the volatility price color have to change red to green, and third confirmation is the candle have to separate from the EMA line, and the fourth confirmation is the candle color have to green. If all the confirmation is matched, that means it's going to happen a strong uptrend and it's our buy signal. So we take long position here and our stop loss will be 30 periods on EMA line. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up, and let's see what's happened, and you can see the price is finally go up. So if I measurement with this scale, you can see our profit is 3.21% with zero leverage. So if I use 20x leverage, that means 64.2% profit from only one trade. Really it's profitable. So now let's see how you can generate sell signal. For sell signal, first confirmation is the 30 period EMA line must have to crossing up the 10 period EMA line, and the second confirmation is the candle have to must crossing down the volatility price line, and the volatility price line color have to must switch it to red, and third confirmation is the candle have to stay separate from the EMA line, and the fourth confirmation is the candle color have to must be red. If all the confirmation is matched, that means it's going to happen a downtrend and it's our sell signal. So we take short position here, and our stop loss will be 10 period on EMA line. And if I see after a few the prices go down, and if I measurement with this scale, you can see 2.31% profit with zero leverage. If I use 20x leverage, that means 46.2% profit from only one trade. Really it's profitable. So for better understanding, let's go with live chart example and some exit and profit target strategy. So in this chart you can see the 10 period EMA successfully crossing up the 30 period EMA, and also the price is crossing up the volatility price line, and the volatility price line color is switched to green, but you can see this candle is red, and also you can see this candle is green, but the candle shadow is not separate from the EMA line, so we avoid the trade in here. And you can see also this candle is not separate from the EMA line, but this candle is separate, but the candle color is red. But finally we get a candle, green candle, that's separate from the EMA line. So it's our buy signal. We take long position here, and our stop loss will be 10 EMA line, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and our second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up and successfully hit our profit target 1 and finally hit our profit target 2, and it's count as a successful trade. So now let's go with another example. In this chart you can see the 30 period EMA line is successfully crossing up the 10 length EMA line, and also the price is crossing down the volatility price line, and the volatility price line color is switched to red, and also the candle color is red, and the candle is separate from the EMA line. So that means it's our sell signal. So we take short position here, and our stop loss will be 10 period of EMA line, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and our second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go down and successfully hit our profit target 1, and let's see what's happened. And after a few the price is successfully hit our profit target 2, and it's count as another successful trade. And remember, if you have a risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target, but sometimes it's very risky. So hope you guys understand how you can catch signal with volatility stop and moving average indicator combination. So guys, if you really love this content, you can give a like on this video. Your like always motivated me to discover new trading system. And if you have any question, you can comment below. And if you want to get more useful tutorial like this, you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. See you with you next one.